How to create a maintenance request in our Upfront website. Firstly, log into your tenant's account. Next, tap on Maintenance in home screen. Select your rented property. Tap on the Make a New Maintenance Request. Now, fill in all your request information. All fields are required and should describe your issue as more details as possible. Tap on Next. Take one or more photos or videos indicating the issue. Last step, just submit the request. We will contact you within the next 5 working days. Thank you.